Hi, in front of me is UMIDIGI A3 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu and tap on clock. Then select alarm at the top left corner and click at the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour and when you're done, click OK. Now select repeat and tap on days of the week. Then click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on this bell icon. Over here you can set up one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on it. You can even add your own song by clicking on Add New. When you're done, go back, tap on Label and label your alarm however you want to. Click OK and tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, click on this icon again, tap on the pin icon next to delete. And as you can see, my alarm was deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!